Prime Minister's Aapda attack has enthused the BJP, with the party releasing a song that is in all likelihood going to be the poll pitch for the upcoming assembly elections. A thrust that is clearly on its identity. With the Aam Aadmi Party's thrust on pujaris and temples, the song is clearly to counter the impact. Here's a glimpse of that song that has been shared by the BJP over this usage of the song clearly to attack the Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar. However, this renewed vigor in the BJP campaign did not go unnoticed even by the Congress leader Sandeep Dixit, who has acknowledged it that for the first time he felt that the BJP was also in the fray.
चलो पहली बार ये तो लगा कि बीजेपी भी लड़ रही है। अभी तक तो बिल्कुल ही गायब थी, न मुद्दों से गायब थी, दिल्ली से गायब थी, समझ में नहीं आ रहा था। हमको तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि कुछ आम आदमी पार्टी में आपस में कुछ बातचीत हो गई होगी कि यार आप बाहर रहना, आपकी बात दिल्ली में ले लूंगा। क्योंकि आपको याद होगा आज से कोई 5-6 साल पहले आम आदमी पार्टी की वेबसाइट पे लिखा होता था ऊपर मोदी नीचे केजरीवाल, तो मुझे लगा फिर इसी तरीके की कोई एग्रीमेंट होगी। लेकिन आज जो बातें कही प्रधानमंत्री ने वो बड़ी निराशाजनक रही। पहली चीज़, उन्होंने कुछ झुग्गी झोपड़ी क्लस्टर में हमारे रहने वाले भाई बहनों को मकान आवंटन किए। ये तो कांग्रेस के समय की स्कीम थी।
Now, as far as the war of words that are now concerned in this three-cornered fight in Delhi, the Aam Aadmi Party, which is also now upping its social media game, intensifying the poster wars, the AAP has targeted the Delhi BJP chief Virendra Sachdeva amid the speculations that he will not be contesting the elections. The party has put up a poster on X showing Sachdeva in Milkha Singh's avatar, similar to the character in Bollywood film Bhag Milkha Bhag, with the caption saying "Kya hua dar gaye." Now then came another poster mocking the BJP's alleged lack of a CM face in Delhi, punning on a movie and calling them Lapata Dulhe. Now the agenda wars on social media are equally matched by the war of words as well. Listen it.
आम आदमी पार्टी जिसने बिजली पे, पानी पे, शिक्षा पे, स्वास्थ्य पे अद्भुत काम करके दिखाया, आप उसको आपदा पार्टी कह रहे हो। वो पार्टी बीजेपी और नरेंद्र मोदी जी जिसने 2 करोड़ रोजगार पे झूठ बोला, किसानों के फसल का दाम दोगुना करने पे झूठ बोला, महंगाई कम करने पे झूठ बोला, 15 अगस्त 2022 तक सबको पक्का मकान देने के नाम पे झूठ बोला, काला धन ला के सबके खाते में 15 लाख देने के नाम पे झूठ बोला। जो पार्टी दिन रात झूठ बोलने का काम करती है, वो आम आदमी पार्टी और केजरीवाल पे कमेंट कर रहे हैं। प्रधानमंत्री जी, हर काम में बाधा डालने का काम मोदी जी ने और भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने किया है।
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने स्पष्ट किया कि दिल्ली की आपदा सरकार ने किस तरह से दिल्ली को लूटने का काम किया है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने आज दिल्ली को एक नई दिशा देने का काम किया है। उन्होंने ये भी बताया कि हमने माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में पूरे देश में 4 करोड़ लोगों को पक्का मकान दिया है। उसके साथ साथ उन्होंने कहा कि वो चाहते तो वो भी शीश महल बना सकते थे। तो सीधा सीधा तंज था उस चोर पर, उस भ्रष्टाचारी अरविंद केजरीवाल पर, जिसने दिल्ली को लूटने का काम किया है।
देखिए, अरविंद केजरीवाल का जमीन से संपर्क कट गया है। अब अरविंद केजरीवाल ना तो जमीन से, ग्राउंड से, लोगों से, गरीबों से, झुग्गी वालों से, अनऑथराइज्ड कॉलोनी लोगों से, कहीं से भी अब वो संपर्क में ही नहीं है। वो आदमी एक डिलेमा में फंसा हुआ है जो झूठ और लूट की दुनिया है। अरविंद केजरीवाल आज के दिन में स्वयं में दिल्ली के लोगों के लिए आपदा बन गए हैं। कहां तो आए थे आपदा हटाने, खुद ही बन गए आपदा। इसलिए आज दिल्ली में बिल्कुल ठीक कहा है आपने कि अब आपदा को हटाना है, भाजपा को लाना है।
Well, Sabyasachi, blistering attack that came in from the Prime Minister sounding the poll bugle. Is it now a three-cornered fight that we are looking at as far as in the national capital is concerned? Because right now, as we also take a look, we'll just come back to you, Sabyasachi. There has been no end when it comes to the run-ins that has been also taking place between the Delhi Lieutenant Governor and the Aam Aadmi Party. And this time, they seem to be at loggerheads over the Farishteh scheme. Now, to put things in context, the Delhi Health Minister, Saurabh Bharadwaj, who has withdrawn his petition from the Supreme Court, alleging that it was rendered ineffective due to the non-payment of dues after interference of the LG office. The scheme, which is Farishteh Dilli Ke, was launched back in 2019 to provide free medical treatment to road accident victims and encourage the passers-by to take them to the hospital for treatment. Now, the LG says that the withdrawal of this plea shows the Aam Aadmi Party and his ministers claims that it was baseless and it was intended to malign him. The Aam Aadmi Party in response has termed the LG's assertions as contempt of court and as an attempt to manipulate and misinterpret its proceedings. The Aam Aadmi Party claimed that the petition was disposed of because the payment was released after LG VK Saxena has come under pressure due to notice from the Apex Court. Let's, in the meantime, get in a word as we play out the reactions that have been also coming in. Sabyasachi, what do we make of this Farishte scheme that was launched back by the AAP Sarkar? And what exactly is the pressure that the LG has been talking about this time that seems to be a playing factor that this plea was withdrawn?
Well, that's right. See, the Lieutenant Governor of the National Capital have been continuously alleging of the misconduct and the mismanagement of the Delhi government. And time and again, we are seeing that the Lieutenant Governor of the National Capital and the Aam Aadmi Party are continuously engaged in war of words over several schemes which has been announced by the Aam Aadmi Party ahead of the Delhi polls. Now, the latest being the Farishte scheme. Now, the war of words has once again escalated between the LG and the Aam Aadmi Party, whereas the Aam Aadmi Party has been continuously alleging that Lieutenant Governor has been indulging into petty politics and not been focusing on the development of the people of the National Capital. Now, time and again, the Aam Aadmi Party has reminded the Lieutenant Governor that his work focuses on the law and order situation and to provide safety and security to the people of the National Capital, but he has not been doing it, rather than creating obstruction for the Aam Aadmi Party and the Delhi government time and again.
All right. With these developments that have been taking place, we have seen that there have been war of words, there have been war over letters, war over posters that have also been reported. And now this seems to be the latest controversy in the offing as far as the upcoming Delhi elections are concerned. Sabyasachi, thank you very much for the moment.